actually not that bad. Talk about a night crawler, man. It's a big sucker. You know, that's a lot drier and survived a lot better after 6 months of being on the ground than I thought. There's like no molding at all. finally we are done. Done, done, done. Alright, I gotta go inside now because it's just too damn hot out here, and I'm gonna get a heat stroke probably if I stay out here much longer. It is gonna be a nasty summer. Plus it doesn't help that I got over being sick. I'm still kind of sick, so that really doesn't help. But I'm really happy with that. Let it be known that we finally had to turn on the air conditioning. And it is nice inside. I feel so bad having to do that in May though. It's like, come on. I will tell you, on a side note, if you're ever overheating, run inside, wash your face off with cold water, wash your hands off with cold water, and then wash your feet off with cold water. And that will cool you off in like 2 minutes. Because, one plus is, a lot of people need to wash their feet more often. Just gonna go on like another tangent, because I don't understand why people think that. People seem to think that stinky feet is an okay thing. Like your feet should smell just like your hands. And if you have stinky feet, get several gallons of hydrogen peroxide, pour them into your boots and your shoes, and then I don't know, stick your feet in there. And if that doesn't work, try muriatic acid. Anything, and then just wash your feet like once a night or something like that. But anyway, back to the first layer tangent. I'm all cooled off now. And then back to the original subject, the wall. I am very happy with the result of that, especially because it was only done in 2 weeks, and one of those weeks I was sick, because I'm actually getting over being sick. So yeah. First day I've gotten my voice back though, so that's good, because before I was coughing a lot and I was kind of like, well, I had my voice, but it just out of breath or something like that. I don't know, I was kind of coughing up drunk. And even now, I wouldn't even say that my voice is all the way back, because it's just like, I'm always swallowing stuff and whatnot. But anyway, I'm also not concentrating very well, because I still am a bit warm and sick. I'll finish the back wall whenever I get the other ones that are on the top, and then we'll kind of finish it up. And the back, or the top of the back wall has really gone like, there's been compounding errors, and it's led to some gaps like that much between the boards. But then it occurred to me, even though I don't personally have any plans for it at the moment, I can guarantee you there's going to be a bunch of shelving back there. That's the nature of a workshop. And so I'm not going to even see it anyway, so that's fine. And I really like that I use that foam, because it means that I don't have to seal up all the cracks anymore. I think it's obvious. I don't have anything else to really say about this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.